going to learn about bees. Here are some key words you are going to need to know about bees. First, we have pollen, which is a powdery yellow mixture made by the flower. Then we have nectar, which is a sweet liquid that is made by a flower. Finally, we have pollination. Pollination is the process of transferring pollen from the male part of the plant, the anther, to the female part of the plant. There are many species of bees like honeybees, bumblebees, Russian bees, and many more. Bees are pollinating insects, so they pollinate plants and trees, which allow them to make seeds and fruits. Bees help keep forests and maintain biodiversity, meaning the variety of life. This is why bees are very important for our environment. Though you might think all bees make honey, they actually don't. Only honeybees and some stingless bees make honey. Bees land on the flower and collect nectar from the bottom of the stamen. They store the nectar in the honey sac, which has special enzymes, which is the molecule that speeds up reactions in living organisms. The enzymes will break down the sugars in the nectar while the bees travel from the flower back to its hive. See, as you can see, this is a diagram of where the stamen is and where the other special parts of the flower is, which we have covered in the previous videos. When the bee lands on the flower, a powdery substance from the stigma called pollen will stick to the bee's feet. So when the bee goes to another flower after that, the pollen will mix with the pollen from the other flower. This will allow the flower to make more seeds. Once bees reach their hive, the bees will split the nectar into the honeycombs. They will then fan it with their wings until all the water evaporates and left with a sticky substance called honey. The bees use this honey to feed their larvae. That's all we have today. Thank you for listening, and remember to keep learning.